Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be a little bit different because in this video I'm going to show you my local sales. Hopefully motivates you to make some sales, to dumpster dive, thrift, resell. Also, so everybody knows that I'm going to barber school. Well, most of y'all know that, and this is how I pay for my tuition. So by me selling the items that I find in dumpsters or that I thrift, I use that money to make my payment so I can go to barber school and hopefully one day become your barber. So come with me to make these local sales. Let's go.
Let's go sell something.
All right, so I just got out of school and I'm ready to make another loco sale. This time we're gonna be selling this Wii guitar that I got from a dumpster. We rescued it and I tested it, I cleaned it, sanitized it, and now we're gonna sell it for $50, 100% profit. Let's go. Get $50.
I just didn't know it was you because you didn't tell me what car you had. But here's the guitar if you want to check it out. That's the one that doesn't have the lid, so that's why I'm asking $50 for it.
Okay, that's fine.
The one with the lid is 55. But if you want both, I have it right here. If you want both, I can do 100.
Okay,
Yeah, it's just that this one has a
the cover at the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I've seen this one. I didn't see this one on your offer.
Yeah, I hadn't posted yet.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's fine. I'll give you the 100.
Okay, sounds good. You said you wanted to do Cashapp, right?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so you might remember this from one of my previous videos when I threw out the trash at my barber school. I found in the dumpster this box of a swimming pool filter with other accessories. I picked it up because it seemed kind of expensive and it was very, very clean. It's like brand new, never used. I looked it up and it goes on eBay for about $50. I listed it locally for $40 and somebody messaged me interested in buying it for $30. And you know what? I'm gonna make some quick $30, quick cash, 100% profit. And right now, you're gonna come with me to make this a local sale. Let's go.
How long it looks. So it may be true to one. Oh, well, no, you got change?
For what?
420.
Okay, so now I want you to come with me to make this local sale. I'm going to be selling these clippers, brand new in the box, along with the cape. So I made a bundle and I'm selling it together for $100. And I'm going to use this money that I'm going to get from the sale to invest it on a higher quality clipper and the other clippers to $100. So once I sell this one for $100, I feel like I'm only paying $100 for the higher quality one and not $200. So let's go make $100 and come with me. Let's go.
I had to mute this transaction because he was using a lot of cursing words, not YouTube friendly. However, I did make the sale.
Another bright day to make more money here in Texas. And right now we're gonna sell this PlayStation 2 guitar from Guitar Hero that we rescued from a dumpster at an apartment complex. It works, it's clean, sanitized, and we are selling it locally right now for $50. I love selling these locally because that way I don't have to worry about shipping and finding a box, customizing, because it is a pretty big guitar and the dimensions for a box gets a little bit complicated. So 100% in profit because there will be no eBay or Facebook Marketplace fees. So $50 for us. Now, let's go make some money.
Let's go. Curious if you want to check it out. Yeah. Cool. All right. Thanks a lot.
All right, so now I want you to come with me to make this local sale of 18 men's jackets slash sweaters for $100. I want to estimate that I probably paid for all this clothes that you see right here, probably like $5, $6. So we are making a lot of profit and let's go get $100.
But here's everything that was in the pictures.
Is it cool if I check them out?
Yeah, you can take a glance if you want.
All right, guys, so it's time for another local sale. So I put together a bundle of 105 plushies, some vintage, some from today, and some new with tags. I'm gonna sell all of these locally for $60.
Okay, perfect. And you said it was like 100.
Yeah, it's 105 or 106. I
Okay.
think I threw in like one or two extra.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we are going to go make this local sale, this vintage hoodie skeleton double-sided for $50. Let's go make $50. Let's go.
Hey man, how's it going? Here's if you want to check it out.
Alright. My fault, I was caught up in traffic.
Very good.
Oh yeah, that's real.
Alright, thanks man, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome back to Let's Sell Something. So right now I'm gonna meet somebody locally. They are purchasing these polo boots. I listed them for $25 and I'm gonna meet them right now to sell them locally. Of course, I'm gonna bring you along with me. Let's go.
Put him in double bag because I know that you were on the bike.
Alright.
I appreciate it, bro. Alright man, you have a good one, man.
You too, take care.
All right, guys. So remember this desk mat that we found behind a dumpster? Well, we rescued it. I cleaned it, took pictures of it, and somebody messaged me right now. They want to buy it locally for $30. They're going to use Cashapp, so I might not be able to record the whole transaction since they will be scanning my phone, but I'll show you as much as I can. Let's go. Hello. Here it is if you want to check it out.
Oh, okay.
So heavy.
Sit here. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'll work.
Okay.
All right, so it's time for another local sale. It's a brand new box of tile, an extra one, everything for $15.
Sí.
¿Está bien?
Sí.
Okay.
15 euros.
Sí. Nada más que... Okay, nada más si te quieres llevar así, te puedo ayudar con la caja.
Okay, so it's time to make $20 by selling this bundle of LOL DOS MGA brand. These are highly collectible and we are going to sell them right now for $20. I got these actually at the Goodwill bins, so I probably paid like a quarter, maybe even less for these, since everything is sold by the pound there, and we're about to flip that quarter into $20. So if you ever see LOL dolls, make sure you pick them up, and if you have the whole set, it's even worth more, like the way it is in this case.
Awesome. Did you say you take cash?
Alright guys, so I get to my storage real quick because I had a buyer message me on this SeaWorld bundle. It's actually a total of 4 items for $20, and of course I'm going to take you with me to make this local sale.
It's so cute. We're so excited.
I told her what car I had, but she didn't tell me what car you had, so I was like...
I know.
I see those people over there.
I
and
know.
then
I was like, Liz, look, and then she said, "Shut up!" Like it's this one right here. So yeah, thank
All
you
right,
so
thank you so
much.
much.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
All right, so I want you to check this out. I bought this toy for 50 cents at a yard sale. I'm gonna flip it right now into $7. I was asking 10, but you know, I'll take 7 because as you can see, it's really big, it's really bulky, and it's not a big money maker, but it's bread and butter, and that's still a good flip. 50 cents into $7. I'm cool with that, and somebody's gonna get a good deal and enjoy this large toy.
How's it going? The car?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Here it is if you want to check it out.
It's cool.
Like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is 7 right?
Yes. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so right now I was in Barber College and somebody messaged me while I was in school that they want to purchase this bundle of Safari Zoo animals for $10 locally. I got home, I picked it up, and now I'm gonna meet with the local buyer to make this local sale of $10.
Like them? Okay. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, so I put together a bundle of electronics, everything that you see in the picture, well, everything's here in the box, but I'm gonna put the pictures right here on the side. Everything's gonna go for $100 locally, and I want you to come with me. Here's my mom too. Let's go make this money. Ching-ching.
Hello, electronics. You might want to bring your car a little bit closer just because it's very heavy.
Okay.
Here are the microphone stands.
Okay. Here, let me give you some money.
I'm gonna help you with it.
Okay.
All right, guys, it's time for another local sale. So right now we're gonna meet a local buyer that's interested in buying these dress-up shoes. We're gonna sell them locally for $15. Another rescue that we're gonna rehome. Let's go.
Thank you so much. Have a good one.
So I'm gonna go ahead and make this local sale, and you know how I hate going by myself. So I'm gonna bring you along with me to sell this Mexican style dress for $20. I paid 25 cents for it, and right now we're gonna go sell it for $20. Definitely gas money to continue dumpster diving. Let's go sell this. Come on.
And I was gonna ask you if you take for both $30. The other one.
one.
It was like this, but has like colors.
Right after this, I do have to go to school. However, the lady really liked the dress that I sold her right now. She asked me if I had any more. I told her that I did, which is this one right here. So, a repeating customer, and we're about to sell this one as well. Same person. All right, so thank you so much for putting up with me and still being here with me to the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something. Let me know if one of these sales surprised you. I know I get surprised a lot of times when I find these items and then I look them up and I see for how much they resell. As always, please consider subscribing. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up, especially if you learned anything. It really helps me make more YouTube videos for you. As always, remember to sell your stuff or donate your stuff. The landfill really has way too much. It doesn't need any more. Remember to recycle. Cool kids recycle, and you're cool, so recycle. See you. Let's do it together. See you on the next dive.